Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your device and the app that will output audio only. Open YouTube and find the exact video you want, then choose background play or a safe audio extraction tool. Once done, make sure permissions are granted for audio and storage if you plan to save a file. You should pick the simplest workflow first. Stream in background if you need quick listening, or extract to MP3 if you want offline, higher control playback later. Next, you extract or route the audio. If you chose extraction, start the converter and pick MP3 or AAC at 128/320 kbps for balance of size and clarity. Then run the conversion and monitor progress. If you prefer streaming only, enable background play or picture-in-picture and route system audio to your music app or Bluetooth speaker. Make sure to close other noisy apps and set playback controls so you can skip ads or chapters without returning to full video view. Finally, complete the task by confirming playback and organizing the file or playlist. You should test the saved track on your preferred player, edit tags if needed, and move it to your library. If background audio unexpectedly stops, check app permissions, battery optimization settings, and any browser autoplay restrictions. For hiss or low fidelity, re-extract at a higher bitrate or switch converters. And if controls are missing, use a dedicated audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.